Good morning students, welcome to a new class. Today I am going to start exercise 1.1. Before this video I had explained the introduction part of the chapter, what is rational numbers and what are the properties of rational numbers, what is one multiplicity inverse, okay, additive inverse, all I had explained. Okay, 1 is the identical, 0 is the additive inverse. I had explained all these things. Okay, so let us start exercise 1.1. Go to question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find out. What we have to do, we have to find out these numbers by using these properties. I had explained the different property: commutative property, distributive, associative property and all. Okay, so using this property we are going to solve these two equations. Okay, so let us start first question. Just see here, see the first question. The question is given like that. Okay, so what here 3/5 and 3/5, it is repeated two times. Okay, so here it is a common number. So what we have to do, we have to just take the common numbers together. That is 3/5. This 5/2, this 5/2 will be shifted this side. Okay, so we'll shift these numbers. After shifting these numbers, what property will become? This is the common number, so this property shows the associative property. Okay, now after that what we have to do, we have to take the common numbers out. We have taken this common numbers, we have to take the common numbers out. That is -2/3 will remain and 1/6 in this, and +5/2 remain. So this will be the distributive property. After that what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Okay, so here we will multiply 2, so we will get the answer 6. So here upon numerator may be 2, and here 6 into 1 and 1 into 1. So -4 -1/6. So what will be the answer? That is 3/5 as it is, -4 it will give -5/6 plus this 5/2. This will cut, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 will be cut, only minus remain and here 2 remain. So minus, it is 1, here it 1, so -1/2 plus 5/2. Again we have to take the LCM of 2 and 2. So your LCM of 2 and 2 is same, that is -1 plus 5 will get the answer 4/2. We are not putting minus because the biggest number is 5, and biggest number 5 is there in front of 5, plus sign is there, so we are not putting the minus sign. 4/2 will cut the answer, will get the answer 2. Okay students, second question is your homework. Okay, do it by your own. Now go to question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is write the additive inverse of each of the following. Okay, we have to find out the additive inverse. The question is 2/8. So what we have to do, we have to just, it is in positive, we will put in negative. Okay, that is -2/8. Here it is -5/8, so we have to remove minus, so it will remain 5/9. Here that is -6/-5, so we will remove minus, we will get the answer 6/5. Have you answered? This is the additive. Additive inverse means क्या, कि अगर पॉजिटिव में है तो हमको उसको नेगेटिव में करना है, अगर नेगेटिव में है तो उसको हमको पॉजिटिव में करना है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, now go to question number 3. Verify that minus x is equals to x for the question x equals to 11/15. So put the values of x in these equations which is given in the question. That is x equals to 11/15 in question. So therefore 11 upon minus, the left hand side is minus 11/15. So it will minus will be cut down, that is 11/15 will, that is equals to right hand side. So we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. That is verified. Okay, question number 2 is your homework. We have to find the same, जैसे ये पुटअप किया है सेम वे आपको यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज विच इज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is question number 4? Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Here it is minus. Multiplicative inverse means what, क्या होता है? Numerators, see this is numerator and this is denominator. What we have to do, numerator को denominator में लेना है and denominator को numerator में इन्वर्स करना है. ओके, सो -13 है तो 13 ऊपर है तो उसको हमको नीचे लेना है. दैट इज़ -1/30. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो इट मीन्स दैट 1. 13/9 दैट इज़ -19/13. 1/5 दैट इज़ 5. 5/1 तो नहीं लिख सकते ना, 5 विल राइट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5, 6 ऑल आर योर होमवर्क. यू कैन डू इट बाय योर ओन. नाउ गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Name the property under multiplication. It's very easy, you can do it. See here the multiply is 1, the numbers will be multiplyable and get the answer same. So it is the property, that is 1 is the multiplicative identity of the property. Okay, question number 2 is also same. Here see the questions are same. ये 13/17 माइनस 2/17 सेम थिंग वहाँ पे भी है, बट पहले 2/7 है देन 13/7. इट विल बी अ कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नेक्स्ट व्हाट विल गेट देन द आंसर्स. वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग द आंसर्स 1 मीन्स व्हाट वी आर जस्ट इन्वर्स दिस नंबर्स. व्हाट हम लोग को इंटरचेंज करते हैं नंबर्स को, मीन्स ऊपर नीचे करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. 19/19 29/19 तो कट किया तो विल गेट द आंसर 1. So what will be the answer? That is it a multiplicative inverse property. Okay students, now go to question number 6. Multiply 6/13 by the reciprocal of 7/16. Reciprocal means क्या होता है, ये 7/16 है तो माइनस 7/16 है तो वी हैव टू पुट 16/7 दैट इज -16/7. तो फर्स्ट रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है. द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ -7/16 इज 16/7. उल्टा लिखना, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई करना है 6/13 को इससे 16/17 से. So multiply 6 into 16 that is -96 and 13 into 7 is 91. So got the answer. Okay, now go to question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute this. We have to compute the Woods property, the same numbers that, see I explained that this is the associative property. Okay, same numbers, this first number is okay, then putting the bracket here, first we are putting the bracket, then one is open, so this is called using the associative property. So this is the associative property of multiplication. Multiply sign is there. Okay, okay students, now go to question number 8. Question number state is 8/9 is a multiplicative inverse of -1/8. Why or why not? We have to find out. Okay, see multiplicative inverse of rational numbers is, as you know, a का है तो is 1/a. मैंने आपको पहले भी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. सो दिस 8/9 को हम लोग को इसके साथ इन्वर्स करना है, दैट इज़ -1/8 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो व्हाट विल गेट द आंसर, दैट इज़ 8/9. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 8 1 8, 8 + 1 9, दैट इज़ -9/8. इट विल बी कट, ओनली माइनस विल रिमेन, दैट इज़ 1. सो आंसर विल बी -1. See students, here the answer got -1. For this multiplicative inverse you have to get always positive number. Okay, so here it is not a positive number, this one is not a positive, so we can say that 8/9 is not the multiplicative inverse of -1/8. Okay, question number 9 is your homework. Question number 10 is given. Question number 10 is also very easy. Okay, the rational numbers does not have have reciprocals, that is 0. reciprocal उसको रहता ही नहीं है. rational numbers that are equal to the reciprocals, that is 1 only, 1 और 1 का reciprocal. अगर total rational numbers is equals to negative, total numbers कौन सा होगा जो equal to negative देगा, that is 0. And question number 11, this is the fill in the blanks, you can do it by your own. Okay students, okay, so complete this exercise 1.1 in your notebook. Okay students, thank you, take care.